Hello friends, this is video number 4, class 12th, English, unit 3, read 1. RC means reading comprehension exercise number 4, 5, 6. મિત્રો, જેમ અગાઉના વિડીયોમાં આપણે રીડિંગ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શનની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી હતી એ રીતે અહીંયા પણ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીશું. Now this is 4th. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. ફરીથી યાદ કરાવું કે અહીંયા આપણે કોમ્પ્રિહેન્શન કરવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની છે. Just you have more practice for comprehension and we will have the questions. What to comprehend? Then we have to comprehend the new words, phrases, sentences for their meaning. Secondly, we also try to understand thoughts, experiences, feelings, etc. So, for that we have to practice. Now, see, here is the paragraph. I read that, you listen to me. See, in order to have the maximum energy available at the start of a busy day, use I have no expectations and I will deal with whatever happens when it happens as a form of money. You will notice how your body starts relaxing at the thought of no expectation. This relaxation tells you that you have just stopped yourself from wasting valuable energy. You will feel calmer mentally and emotionally as a consequence. This is para 5 in the text. So, friends, now you read this paragraph yourself twice, thrice. What is this paragraph about? You think over that and also underline certain words which you don't. Then try to understand them in context and then try to solve these questions. Suppose questions are in this way. What is the mantra of getting maximum energy available? So you can see that in second line there is the keyword mantra. What is the mantra? Then from this line you can understand that line means that sentence start from here. Read this and find the meaning of. It means the answer to this question. Second is no expectations. Then there is select the appropriate option and complete. તમારે આ ને complete કરવાનું છે યોગ્ય options સાથે. Options are given here. She brings us relaxation, makes us poor, waste our energy. So what is the meaning of this phrase? You have to select from this and you can understand the context. Understanding the context, you have to find this meaning. Then question number 3. This text is about no expectation. True or false? You can say that in the whole paragraph here no expectations. In the paragraph it is said about no expectation. You read the paragraph and find the answers. Friends, now see this, read this paragraph, try to find out the answers. You can work in pairs so that you can discuss something. Later on, you just match your answers, the answers given, right? You can click it and you will get the answer. This way, try yourself. Okay, see, here you can try. Now next, read the paragraph and answer the question. In this also you have to practice the same thing. Try to understand the words, phrases, sentences. So far information is concerned, try to understand the emotions or emotional effect. So I read this paragraph, you listen to me, then you read it twice or thrice and then try to find out the answer. See, the screen exercise. When emotions have taken you over, it becomes nearly impossible to think clearly. Then it becomes very easy to make unwise decisions or to agree to something which is not to your advantage. The screen exercise shows you how to step back and emotionally detach yourself from your current situation so that you can see more clearly what is good. This is para 11 from read. Say, question is, when emotions have taken you over, it becomes nearly impossible to think clearly. This is just a sentence. Here, the underlined sentence shows means this sentence when emotions have taken you over. It shows gap of the action. You have to write here the action, which is the action. So in the bracket, these options are given. Place, time, have take, have taken becomes thing. Now fill in the gaps, selecting the appropriate word from the bracket. So you have to keep this in mind. When emotion have taken you over, that means you have very much effect of emotion. These words shows what? The sentence start with when, and that generally shows. So here this is the main part of the sentence in that this is the action becomes, and when it becomes, this is the time. So you can write here time. Then of the action, time of which action, then here find the words of action. Have taken becomes thing. Which is the action? You can find that from this text. Try yourself. Second question. Words has the meaning separate and present. Refer line number 3. This is just help. તમને અહીંયા કેટલીક મદદ કરી છે કે જેથી તમે સમજી શકો. અહીં તમારું ટેસ્ટિંગ નથી. અહીંયા તમને શબ્દોના મિનિંગ વગેરે સમજવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ છે. લાઈન નંબર 3. Here, exercise shows you how to step back and emotionally detach yourself from your current situation. So here you can understand the words in from context. from જ્યારે preposition હોય ત્યારે ત્યાંથી જુદું પડતું હોય એવું છે. So you can write the action. So detach, think of this word, and also your current situation. You can understand the words current from this context. Now, what is this text about? You can understand that screen exercise. All the things are about screen exercise. So you can answer the questions, then you can check your answers from it. Okay. Now say 6. Read the paragraph and answer the question. So here is also again comprehension. Say, you can read yourself, but I read certain words only. Pessimism, stats, then optimism and success. Say, find the antonyms of optimism, failure, negative, very busy and hurried, begins, and foresee. So these are the words, and I have underlined the words. Those are the opposites or antonyms of these words. But you have to finalize which are the real answers. So do this. After this help, you can do yourself. When can we not find the way out of our current problem? You can see current problem. Read this line and answer the question. See, pessimism sets in, and we cannot see a way out of our current problem. Write this sentence in two separate sentences. So, two sentences are joined with an conjunction. So, you can understand both the sentences you write yourself. Then you match your answers with these answers. Friends, thank you. Have the practice this way, and you will be able to get all means to comprehend the different texts. Thank you all.